Namaste, this is your Charanya. Today I'll be telling you the story of Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra was a king of the Kshatriya race. Once it happened that he passed through sage Vasishta's ashram. Now the sage cordially welcomed the king and his army and provided such fine hospitality. The king wondered from where did such fine hospitality come from in a forest hermitage? When questioned by him, the sage showed his cow Sabala and told that she was the cause of such rich abundance. Now the king expressed his gratitude and said, such a cow would be more useful with me than with you. Such things of wealth and prosperity by right belong to the king. You must give me this cow. Now, sage Vashishta was not willing to part with his cow. He gave numerous excuses. The more unwilling he was to part with his cow, the more eager King Vishwamitra was to possess the cow. Now he decided to possess the cow by force, and he ordered his men to take the cow. The poor cow Sabala could not understand why she was roughly handled. But she could see the plight of her master, Sage Vashishta, and she easily used her mighty strength and put the soldiers into flight and sought refuge at the sage's feet. Now the sage commanded her to bring forth soldier to resist Vishwamitra's men, and in no time Vishwamitra's men were outnumbered. Now Vishwamitra left all of his kingdom and went to the Himalaya and went to other place to do tapas. Before that, Vishwamitra was so enraged that his sons took Sage Vashishta as their only target. In the end, they were to be reduced to ashes. After this, King Vishwamitra left his kingdom to the administration of one of his sons, and then he left for his tapas. And he performed such firm tapas that Lord Shiva was pleased with him and asked the intention of performing the tapas. Vishwamitra said that he wanted every divine arrow and he must become the master of it. So he possessed all divine arrows of the Gandharvas, Devas, Rakshasas, Asuras, and other such beings. By possessing all of it, his arrogance was so arrogant that he thought Sage Vasishta already to be vanquished, and he immediately left to the abode of Sage Vashishta. The arrival of King Vishwamitra made the disciples and the animals in the ashram run helter skelter. Now, King Vishwamitra used his fire weapon and reduced Vashishta's ashram into ashes. Now Vashishta was so furious that he thought to earn the haughtiness of this king. And now King Vishwamitra showered all the divine arrows that he had. Vashishta, using his Brahmadanda, holy staff, absorbed all the weapons that were showered by King Vishwamitra, and it made him glow. All the divine weapons that was absorbed into his holy staff made the holy staff in Sage Vashishta glow. Now the king Vishwamitra was even more furious that he used a terrible astra, an astra which could destroy the entire universe, Brahmastra. When this astra was shot upon Sage Vashishta, wait a minute, what do you think? Can Sage Vashishta survive this attack? Yes, when this terrible astra was shot upon Sage Vashishta, Vashishta using his holy staff absorbed the terrible astra, and that terrible astra had such power that it made the holy staff and Sage Vashishta glow with glory. King Vishwamitra was furious. He thought Shiva had fooled him, and the only way he could defeat Vashishta is using a Brahmadanda, and that he could possess by becoming a Brahma Rishi. He thought a Kshatriya's weapons are of no use in front of a Brahma Rishi's holy staff, and he decided to become a Brahmarshi. And he went off into terrible austerities upon austerities. So of him that he performed the austerities, Lord Brahma was pleased with him and blessed him to become a Rajarshi, a highest rank among the kings. But King Vishwamitra was not happy. He could become a Rajarshi, which means a high rank among Rajas, and he was not equal to that of sage Vashishta. He was disappointed. Before we continue with the story of Vishwamitra, let us end our episode 3 with this. In the next episode, let us see the story of Trishanku, which is a part of story of Vishwamitra. If you really like our videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.